Well, Matt, yeah, it's just one from yesterday. Now, you mentioned that stock yesterday, and what we was talking about was as it was coming up. Obviously, if you can remember, what was it? Halion, wasn't it? So, okay, looking at a Barrett Holmes basically. So it's come down hard, done a reversal, moved its way up, and generally is going lateral, which is what Halion is doing at the moment, a little bit like that. So it's a little bit of something which could possibly happen. Now, where are my disjointed channel for that top bottom? Parallel channel, that's what you want. So remember I mentioned something about a flag, yeah? Bit of a flag. So what has happened here? So it's gone along fairly parallel, yeah? It's gone along fairly parallel. So what I'm going to do is zoom in there. Boom, boom, boom. Zoom in there. And what happens is it holds the line, holds the line, holds the line, holds that support, holds that support, holds that support, goes up and cuts down below that line before zooming it up. And so that is obviously a point of interest. That's what I'm trying to highlight to you. So what happens is quite often what happens is it's just like a nice and fairly level progression, and then cuts down lower, you test, and then up. Yeah, that is what happened, that little lower mark. And also the reverse can happen for on the way down. It's kind of upside down version of that. What happens there? Something might just, if it was going to go down, it would just roll along, roll along, roll along, before cutting up above, getting a rejection, firm rejection, and a sort of capitulation or some sort of correction or downtrend off there. Cuts up, higher. You see that? Higher, and before coming down into the low low. All right, mate. Hope you get that, and that's what was possibly on the HLR. It's also something looking at maybe on the US dollars as well. That coming up and then popping down. So that might be DXY, the general strength of the US dollar in the DXY. That's one of the possibilities at the moment. There we go, mate. Nice and easy. Have a good week. And, can you Smith the boxing promoters after you, mate? He fucking fancies